Hi everyone, I just received my Boxycharm for the month of July, so let's take a look inside. So the theme for this box is Road Trippin'. So the first thing I pulled out is this Note blush in the shade Desert Rose. So this is really cute. They have a blush brush on the bottom of it. So next up from Cella Beauty, this is an eyebrow cream in the shade Taupe. So next up is a mascara from the brand Wander Beauty. Next up we have Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So the last item in the box, I was really excited about it. This is Crown Brush's Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. It is so pretty. Let me swatch it. So here are some swatches. They are so beautiful and so pigmented. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.